How can I transfer my GTA 5 game progress and data from PS4 to PC in 2020?
Hey there, gamers! Today we're going to dive into the process of transferring your Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5, game progress from your PlayStation 4, PS4, to your PC. This can seem a little daunting, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step. Remember, there's no official method to do this as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. Nevertheless, we'll explore a workaround that may assist you.
What do you need before you begin?
First things first, here's what you need: your PS4 with GTA 5 data, a PC with GTA 5 installed. Both the PS4 and PC versions must be linked to the same Rockstar Games social club account.
Is transferring possible directly?
Sadly, Rockstar discontinued the feature to transfer progress between platforms directly in 2017. This applies to all platforms, including PS4 to PC.
So, what's the workaround?
Despite the above, there's a possible workaround that could help you maintain a semblance of your progress. But please note, this will not transfer your exact game progress. Here's what you can do. 1. Use cheat codes, trainers on PC. You can use cheat codes or trainers to speed up your progress in the PC version of the game. This way, you can quickly achieve similar progress to what you had on PS4. Be careful though, as using cheat codes or trainers in online mode could get your account banned. 2. Use mods. Mods can help you unlock various parts of the game faster. This could help you reach where you left off on your PS4. But just like cheat codes, use mods responsibly and avoid using them in online mode to prevent any bans.
Can I use cloud saves?
Unfortunately, as of now, cloud save transfers between PS4 and PC are not supported by Rockstar for GTA 5. Your progress on each platform is stored separately. While it's a bit disappointing that there's no official way to transfer your GTA 5 game progress from PS4 to PC, the methods described can help you regain some of your progress faster. Remember, when using cheats or mods, use them responsibly. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in clarifying the possibilities and limitations. Until next time, game on, and stay safe!